Is your Windows 11 PC running slow, acting buggy, or just overloaded with junk? Well, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to factory reset your Windows 11 computer step by step. So let's fix that PC and give it a clean start. If your Windows 11 PC has become unbearably cluttered, it hangs and freezes, or if you're just looking for a fresh start, this quick tutorial on how to reset your Windows 11 PC is a great place to begin. Let's take a look at how to do this. First, let's click on your Start menu. Then go to Settings. Head over to Windows Update on the left. Now click on Advanced Options. And finally click Recovery. Under Recovery Options, click Reset PC. You'll now have two reinstall choices. Keep My Files, which removes apps and settings, but keeps your personal files, and Remove Everything, which completely wipes your PC. For this video, we'll select Remove Everything. Next, we'll choose how to reinstall Windows. The Cloud Download option downloads the latest Windows version from Microsoft, and the Local Reinstall option uses files already on your PC. For the video here, I'll select Local Reinstall. Review the summary. If you're ready to start, click Next. Now we'll click Reset. Your PC will restart and begin the reset process. This can take between 20 to 60 minutes or more. Your PC may also restart a few times. This is normal. Once it's done, you'll go through the first-time Windows 11 setup, just like a brand new PC. Finish this setup and you'll be running a fresh, clean version of Windows 11. Enjoy the speed boost and hopefully fewer problems. I hope you've enjoyed this video and that it helped you reset your Windows 11 PC back to glory. If so, please click that like button and consider subscribing to the channel. It really is the best way to support the channel. Otherwise, we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye, everyone.